No list, no product, three-figure daily commissions. Hey, my people, the secret to cashing in online is to give people what they want. What's that? Free stuff! Because no one likes being sold. Here's your chance to give away multiple premium softwares for free. Build an absolutely massive list of raving subscribers at the same time. And make up to $500 per person without selling a thing. Traffic Shark includes multiple premium softwares you can give away for free. With done-for-you landing pages that promote those giveaways and build your list at the same time. And a built-in passive traffic system that taps into an underground traffic source to get you unlimited traffic from over 800 million buyers. You won't need a website, sales pages, products of your own, or even to pay for hosting. All of that is included. Just log in and watch the commissions flood your account. Step-by-step training included. No experience necessary. Free traffic built into the system. Just update the done-for-you links given to you inside. For passive paydays all day, every day, click the link under this video to get Traffic Sharks. It's that simple. Boom!
Oh, y'all thought it was over. You thought it was over. But it's not. You want to see the bonuses, right? I'm about to show you. Okay? Let's find out. Bonus number uno. What is this? What is this? You get the hack for $200 per day on autopilot. You want to get easy money. Well, not necessarily easy money. You want automatic money, right? On autopilot, that's just coming in, right? That's what you want, right? Guess what? That's what this hack is for. That's what this hack that's what this hack is for. Bonus number two. What's this? What's this? You get access to Jono's headlines. All right? You know you need the hottest headlines when you're writing your ad copy, when you're writing your email ads and all that stuff. Okay? I got the greatest hack for you so you don't have to worry about it. All right, what's next? What's next? Bonus number three. Guess what I got for you? Guess what I got for you? I got 5 email marketing tips that'll help you get higher conversions, okay? You need this. You need this. All right, bonus number 4. Bonus number 4. What is this? What is this? What is this? You get access to timeless traffic. I know you ask me, so what's timeless traffic? I'm going to tell you. Timeless traffic is a membership to where you log in, you watch videos, and learn how to get more traffic. And it's insider secrets that you can't really Google and find out. So this is something you need. All right, let's go. Next bonus. Bonus number 5. Bonus number 5 is what? You already know. You already know. Access to all the vendor bonuses. Yep. All right. All right, you want to know what those are? I know you do. I know you do. But guess what? To get to this page, you got to click the link under the description. Okay? And then once you get to this page, you can click any one of these yellow buttons. You can also click this button at the top, at the tippity top. Click here to grab Traffic Shark. That is all you have to do. All right? That's it. It's that simple. And then once you get to the sales page, all you have to do is click the link to buy now. Look, look, man, look. This is it right here. This is it right here. You just click this button and then you'll get started. Also, boom, there's a discount for you. All you have to do is take your scroller, take your cursor, scroll it up to the top, and you get this discount. Boom, $4 off from me. Take it, get it. Click the link under the video. Huh? Look, they're giving you everything you need to succeed. All right? You get the Traffic Shark app. You get built-in buyer traffic. You get the Magic Profit link, which is automated done for you campaigns. You get the industry leading step-by-step training. You get white glove support. Your user experience is their top priority. So they're giving you access to their white glove support team. Guess what else? Guess what else? There's a 180-day money back guarantee. Click the link under this video. All right, guess what? They said they're not stopping there. They're not stopping there. You're here for the bonuses, right? You're here for the bonuses, right? Guess what else they're giving you for free just by clicking this link under this video? Bonus number one, $1,000 daily commission system. Boom, boom, boom. Bonus number two, your first sale in 60 seconds. That's fast money. That's fast money. Next bonus, $225 daily instant affiliate check. More money, free bonus. Activate the same system they use to get multiple commissions daily. Works perfectly with the system you're buying today. Click the link under the video. It's that simple. What's the next bonus? What's the next bonus? OMG. $5 million online blueprint. Yup, you heard and read right. So click the link under the description so you can take your business to the top, baby. Guess what? Guess what? Special exclusive for the first 100 customers. You get access to the automated super affiliate suite. This bonus alone could change the game for you, and it's absolutely free. Click the link under the video. All right? And once you do that, it's going to take you to my bonus page. This page right here. Okay? And I went over everything for you. So all you have to do is click this link right here. Okay? Then it's going to take you to the sales page. All right? All right? And we already went through the sales page. The top looked just like this. You could watch this video, but guess what? If you tuned into my first video before this video, you already seen this video. Videos. There's nothing more to watch. Just click this yellow moving link. Boom. And then it's going to take you down here, which gives you a list of everything what you're getting. All right? Then you click this button right here. And then you take out your wallet, your phone, or whatever you use to pay, and then you go pay and get access to all of the bonuses. Just click the link. That's all you have to do. Next time, all right? Now, if this was entertaining, and if you did find some good information from this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Go ahead.